Bob Beckett here. Hopefully, you're having a fantastic day. Or right at 1 p.m. I'm just gonna jump right in the charts. On, hang out with that for an hour. I got my members only right after, so just make sure you're a member of Solomon Trading VIP before we are done with this call. You don't have to be, but I'm just saying it's pretty awesome. I think it's pretty awesome, anyways. As you're coming on, say what's up in the chat. I'm gonna just start sharing my screen right away here. Close this out. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Turn this up. 4 people already. What's up, everybody? How you doing? Why is it having a hard time seeing my face? I'm like all blurry today. What is going on here? Let me try something. That's strange. It's like more focused on my background today than... It's really weird. Let me try to blur my background out. Virtual background, audio, video, general. I don't know how to even do that. That's so strange. I don't know, whatever. Let me try this. Weird. What up, Aiden? Hey, man, why is my face blurry? You should come in here and, like, change the setting, because I want to be able to use some of this footage if I have to. This is probably okay, but it's still kind of annoying. And dang, it's like crooked too, but it's all good. Aiden, yeah, do you want to come in here and like mess with the camera really quick for me? What's up, Joanne? How you doing? Bob the Ninja. What's going on, Marvin Machado? What's up, Scotty? All right, if you guys want to, like, Scott, you want to share it, that'd be awesome. Pin the sessions there. I have to load up your C trader. I'm just gonna get right into it today because I don't want to miss a trade. Like yesterday, we missed one, and I was upset about that. Not really. I don't care that much. Just saying. Looks like we might be selling, but soon buying, right? Let me go ahead and share the screen. We'll get to that in a minute. Channel, live, boom, copy. What's everybody up to? Did you take any good trades today? I know Aiden's like killing it. My son. How many actually see my Facebook stream? Aiden, if you see this, can you come here really quick, please? There we go. All right, good enough. For some reason, my passwords aren't being saved at all. It's kind of really annoying. Anybody ever have that happen? Where none of your passwords are saved? Dude, that's not what I pushed. Stop. All right, let me grab my freaking code again. All right. C-Trader loaded up. I'm going to be trading some Forex, some NAS 100 over there, as I'm trading this right here. Here we go. This has been a battle, this account for sure. Thinking we're going to buy soon, but we have to kind of like feel this out for a minute. My son, he's going to try to adjust my camera really fast. Second. So don't bump the whole stand, please. Back there. If you open that up, there's like a little thing around the lens that you turn. All right. You just Velcro on the back. Just careful not to bump it. Let me, sorry guys, 1 second. I'll stop screen sharing really quick. Are you ready? Wait a sec. Yeah. Oh, no, from the back, right? Yeah, the back. The back. Keep that there. Just reach your hand in there and then you'll find, like, just turn it very slightly. Doesn't matter. I'll tell you. There, stop. Perfect. Yeah, thank you. You can close it back up. We're good to go. All right. What's up, Corey Curl? How you doing, bud? Thank you, man. Robert Fullenweider, my quant tower completely booted me out and reset, and I am having to log all my accounts back in. Really annoying. Yeah, it happens, bro. I get it. What is happening with that now? Jeez, I'm like... Here from Mac. We're not missing anything, guys, so don't worry about it. There we are. We are good to go. What's up, Mark? How you doing? Good. Need to find something good today. Yeah, I hear you. Well, what's our rules? We're gonna sell until it doesn't sell anymore. Hey, Bob, pass a Bullen X 50K eval today. Let's go, David Rowe. Christina, hey, what's up? I'm doing really good, Joanne. Thank you so much for asking. Thanks, Scott. Appreciate that. What's up, Tana? Good morning, Paul. No pullbacks. Yeah. Well, that could be a good thing. I mean, again, we could just buy until we can't buy anymore, right? Let's go to the hour really fast. Let's just check everything out. Start fresh. I like to start fresh every day. Every day. So you have this 1 hour block right here, which is kind of like a refined block because we have a refined or a bigger block up in around that, right? It's right here. It's the last down before the up, essentially. But you had a refined block right here, okay? Now it's hitting that refined block and wanting to push up, it looks like anyway. So we have that and that. This is the only thing we have to pay attention to at this current moment, right? We don't have to pay attention to anything else. Now we go down to the 5 minute. Just keep trading simple, guys. Doesn't have to be hard. Honestly, we could buy this right now. Who wants to buy this right now? Anybody? If it comes back up here, everybody down. We'll even take this low. Take this low. Comes back up here, I'm getting in just like that. So you don't have to make it hard. This is a B setup, risk less. Limit buy. This would be right here. Buy right here. 520. Let's do a little bit less than that even. 4. There we go. So if it comes up here, I'm in. Oh, my bad. I got to share my screen. I'm getting in right about now. Hold on a sec. Hello. Oh, yeah, you're just lagged. You get it? Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right. So I'm in right now. Boom, just like that. We're in. We have a trade. Okay, cool. So again, I risked very small on this. Negative. Oh my gosh, dude. Are you kidding me? Get rid of that limit. Here we are. So I'm in that trade. So first B setup of the day, and the reason I like this is because it could hit a 1-to-1 without even breaking this high right here. Nice little easy push. It could go lower, so we're just trying to grab some money out of this market. That's it. Stop being a hero. Stop being like, oh my gosh, I need to get this huge risk reward. Oh my gosh. You're talking to yourself, Robert. I know, Laura. I'm sorry. What's up, Laura? How you doing? Peace in. Yep. No chart, no screen, no chart. Yep. I'm dumb. I get it. So are we the pullback hoping? Are we the pullback hoping? I'm a nothing. I'm not caring either way. That's my verdict. Here's what I think is going to happen. The way that this is building liquidity up, it could very well drop. But for now, we don't have to break this high, right? This is like a mini. If I were to put a block here above, I don't even have to break this block to get a 1-to-1 out of this, you know? So it's just a quick scalp, and then we see what happens. Hopefully it goes up. What's up, Rich? As far as hoping on anything, no, I don't really. So here's what I'm looking at, you know. If this breaks this, then yeah, I'll look for some kind of fair value gap or something here to take up, right? That's what I'd like to see happen. But it doesn't really matter either way. So if it comes up to here, I take some profits. If it comes down here, that's okay that I lost. Now I know that it's going to potentially sell off after a pullback. So either way, I'm fine. It's going to either go up or down. Yeah, for sure. It should. What's up, Nicholas? How you doing, buddy? Then you could DCA right here if you'd like. Add an extra position. That way it brings the entry down to like right here. Then you can get out of break even, wait for another break structure up, and then take it kind of thing. So let me look on the 1 minute, see what we're looking at here. We haven't lost in a while, so we're due for a loss. It's really good to remember. I always say, as soon as you put money out in the market, you lost. Like, imagine you lost that money, and if it feels bad to you, then you're probably risking too much. Risk something you could afford to lose, period. Mentally. That doesn't just mean for your account. Mentally. Can you afford to lose that mentally, right? Gotta hit the gym soon, but grab some proffies earlier. Gave you your likes and thumbs up here, though. Love to you and the whole fam. Appreciate you, Alex. Go get that gym, brother. I've been killing it too myself. I've been getting rid of some of the extra bacon down here. Remember, Alex told me, looks like you're getting some extra bacon. Yeah. He knows when I'm not moving my body. It's either going up and see what's up. There's a fair value gap on future stacking. I mean, it's not just future stacking, it's actually there. So there's that. If I load it up, let me see. Me personally, I like the 1 minute. The 1 minute. So if we can get above, we already got above this. That's an inverse fair value gap over here. Where was it actually? Hold on, let me look where it is. This is on the chart time, 1 minute. So when did that fair value gap pop off? I don't see one there. Oh, okay. It was right here. So if it closes above this right now, that's what you call an inverse fair value gap, and that would be a great hold to potentially rocket off. It's got to close above it, though. Let's get a rocket out, huh? Let's get a rocket out. Let's make some money. Rocket. Come on. Nice and easy today. Nice and easy. Just smash up. Yeah, if we close above this, I mean, and you're not in yet, this would be a perfect time to potentially get in if it closes right above this red block. Some reason I'm not connecting to C-Trader. That's a bummer. Missed out on that trade. C trader's so clunky. Need to get a payout before the wife kills me. I feel you on that, bro. You say, just don't talk, wife. I'm just kidding. I'm telling you, it's 1 hour pivot. Everybody's got something, man. You guys gotta be careful with everything you know. You know too much. Start dumbing it down and get dumber. Get dumber in your trading. Enjoy life. I'm still trading one at a time. My mind goes to mush when I copy trade. Yeah. Get paid first, Nicholas. Trust me, I speak from experience. You would for sure never see me again. Well, hopefully we do. I pretty much enjoy having you around. Web app, bro. I would have been in this trade right now. If you want to get me in that trade for the 0.3 right now, like if it closes above this red block, get me in with a 0.3, please. And don't close out half of them. I'm gonna go back to the browser. You bummer. So we didn't get in yet. I mean, if you were looking at right here, I'm still in this. It should rocket though, my gosh. It wicked out the bottom here, didn't wick out the top here. Pretty much went almost a close above that, but it didn't. Okay. It's all right, bro. I feel like I'm in like a Zelda. I'm gonna turn this music today. I need another playlist, Aiden. You should hook me up. Something a little different. I'm gonna go classical for a minute. Oh, that's a big candle. I have to try to figure out how to get into C Trader. It's fantastic. I find it. All right. I don't need your help anymore. This pip value is 10 cents. Is it actually? $2.5. All right, let's get some volume here, guys. What are you doing? You guys got to blow harder. Or you get stuck up in there. As soon as I get a trade, it always says, nope, we're just going to go sideways a little bit. There we go. Ooh, I like this. Look at this, guys. It looks like rocket material, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, here we go again. I put this stupid. Who saw that? Who saw that stupid story I put up? Let me put that on here. It's ridiculous. I've been making some mad ads. Not really ads, but some AI stuff for fun. Not airplay. No. The airdrop. There. Come on, rocket. Wait, did I just send that to you, Aiden? I didn't mean to send it to you. Hold on. Or a rocket. Let's go, rocket. One giant candle all the way to my target. I'm just gonna put my target right here. Just call it a day. I'll get above that fair value gap, be an inverse. All right, bro. It didn't get me in the gosh dang trade. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a lot. I like the wick, but at least we got a high. See if we can fill this little area. If not, that's totally fine. You can shoot up all at once. We do have a little block right here. So this is what you got to kind of look for on the left right here. Little areas of, blocks on the way up. Nice, Rich. That did it. 4,290 profit today and passed my 150K TPT eval. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go. Beautiful job. The one thing I like about this, even though this massive candle looks like it's going to destroy our lives, is it did close above a fair value gap, inverse. So it could destroy us right now, but just remember you can get the DCA one position if you want right here. Don't love this. Feel like it should have went up right there. So this could be one of those things where you can get out at break even if you want. Wait for more proof. Totally up to you. I don't love this candle though. That's for dang sure. Yeah, I mean, it did on the 1 minute too. I don't need to go to the 3 minute. That's not my thing. Downward? I don't see it breaking no structure down. It didn't anywhere. 0 structure breaks. Not one. It's completely clean right now, so far. You had lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, potentially higher high. This wick was higher than this is higher than this is higher than this is higher than this is higher than this. There's no structure down here that was broke at all. Right now it's still bullish. That's even on the 3 minute. Same thing goes with the 1 minute. I don't like that little fair value gap right there. But let's be very clear. A fair value gap is not a structure. Sure seems to want to push down. See, the problem with Elliott Wave is which time frame you're going to look at. So I started with Elliott Wave. You know, if I went to the hour, we'd be at, gosh, it'd be like 1 A, B, C correction or whatever. If you go to the 5 minute, A, B, C correction, I don't know. Like, that's all subjective, you know? One, two, three, four, five, ABC. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. Two, three, four. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a correction. So we're not even on the last one. Yeah, it's a good idea, but it just doesn't really follow it. All right, Nicholas. No time for that. We break this one, man. I'm doubly happy. If we close above here on the one, on this little fair value gap, we're going here. Like, I'd bet $1 million on that one. At least to there. I'd hope for to here, you know. I wish I knew how to do the I can't figure out how to drag these. It's this thing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. $250. So it depends on what. I mean, 5 minutes the clearest. It would be 24997.5. This all right. So it depends on which structure we're talking about. The 1 hour, I can't. It's like a sad song. I can't do this right now. All right, back to this. So we had a structure break right here on the 5. See this? Boom. See, this didn't go lower here, so we had a higher high created right here on the 5. So this coming down here doesn't phase me. This would be the structure break right here. This would be, actually, hold on. This would be, my bad. So yeah, 24996.25. With that said, you're that deep and you're in an hour block. This is my hour block. I'd be more afraid of it like wicking that out and going up. So I wouldn't take anything until the bottom of this 1 hour block was taken at 24973.5. So right now I'm still bullish because of this right here. That doesn't mean it's gonna work out. Literally anything can happen, but this is what holds me in the trade. So like right now I give more power to the fact that this right here closed solid above this, and we didn't even get into this block. So there's like still unmitigated stuff up here. So like it could tank first and then hit it, but I'm just saying short term, I don't know why they wouldn't just bring it to here. You guys could still get out at roughly break even right now if you don't like the trade. I would hold it, but I'm me. We're building another area to potentially rock it up. This one was taken out. So is this. So liquidity. Looks like it might want to take some of this liquidity because we have liquidity below, right? We have these little double bottoms. Always paint that picture. So here's the double bottoms. Gotta risk it for the biscuit. Yep. All right, we wicked it. Let's see if that wick can hold. That's definitely rocket material. It doesn't mean it's going to, like I said. I'll rock it. All right, so 76% of you guys profited today. That's awesome. 24% didn't. Those are some good odds. Sounds like our win rate overall. I like that close. We'll see. We're on this little stupid trend line that could be taken out pretty easily. But again, we're bullish because of this low not being broken on the 5. So I put my stop there too, by the way. Little baby fair value gap there. Can we get a close above that? Nope. Just said nope. Let's clear this out. It might help. No, I don't. I think we got in perfectly. In fact, the best positions are inverse, pretty much inverse for value gap. So if we got in early, it would have been a nice ride, but it still went above where I wanted it to go. So this is also why I gave it room. Gave it 55 points to mess around. All right, we took this liquidity too. So we grabbed that liquidity and this liquidity. No, we didn't. I thought we did. Did we? Created a double bottom. Now we got a rocket. Let's get a rocket going, guys. Maybe I just got to do this. Get a little bobbly. Little Batman action. Come on. Just when everybody's thinking, oh, it's going to drop. Oh, we should have waited for this. Should have done this. Should have done this. And then bam, shoots up. Hopefully. The luck. All right, here we go, Rocket. Let's go. I'm feeling it. Maybe not. I mean, it's just going real slow on this, building up liquidity, getting more sellers in to just juke them out, trap them. That's what I think. Stopped out, re-entered on low on my. And you had a little stop, didn't you? There we go. Nah. I ain't doing none of that. Roberto. AI Bob. Oh, yeah. Let me see if I can pull that up. I wanted to show you that, but I couldn't get it over to my computer for some reason. Come on, baby. All right, we had a little break and we have a block here. So we had this little break. I'm just showing you, and we closed above a little baby fair value gap. So lots of promising things trying to happen, but I don't know if it's going to hold. We'll see. Got this block, this buy block created, little mini break, but that candle is very bearish. We'll see if it holds. We'll see if it holds. This is the moment of truth. This is when you see one giant rocket. Todd Wall, what's up? Yeah, I know, right? I gotta. Sometimes they make some funny looking ones, but this new Sora AI, oh my gosh, it's stupid. I want to be able to get it to you guys. I have fun with that stuff, but that's from my marketing background. I'm just wanting to be creative stuff. All right. Looks like it wants to drop some more. We'll see. Is my airdrop just not on or what? Come on, Rocket. What are you doing? Ah. I could send it like this. There we go. Just frozen in time. What's it going to do? It's in a weird situation right here. Look, it's under that trend line-ish. It closed solid above here, which tells me it's still more bullish than bearish. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Everybody's freaking out, selling off. They're putting their stops up here. And then all of a sudden, is it going to tank them out? That's the whole idea here. If I had to bet, I would buy, you know, and could I lose? Absolutely. But, you know, here we go. I was able to send it a different way. Let's do this.
Like a walk on the beach while the market.
Wow, what are you doing? Very weird movement today. There we are. Come on, baby. Volume. 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 Not always right, but it does a lot of times. I live for these rockets, like for real. That's like my life. My life is about rockets and my children. That's it. Just rockets and children all day. Babies flying everywhere. Children. Same thing, right? Rockets and having babies. Come on with this crap. Just touch this wick and shoot up. Come on, don't go any farther than that. We have a nice, that's not a break. Well, no, look, we have a higher, higher, higher low creating right now. is we had this break of structure. See how important these breaks of structures are? I mean, the close above this tiny little fair value gap right here. That just mattered. You know, the market's stinking fractal. That's literally how it works. Dude, I cannot find this to save my life. The one thing I hate about Macs, don't even diss on my Mac though, is when I download or when I send myself a video or something, I can't just right click it and say show in folder. Like, I can if I do it from like, but what am I trying to say? Come on, baby. All the way up. Come on, baby. Up, 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 up. All right, you get another chance to get out of break even if you don't like it. Just saying. If it closes solid right here, it should be pretty good. Yeah, we should be good. Might mess around a little bit, but sometimes you got to be patient. I'd say most of the time you got to be patient. Just trading. You're so frantic. You're probably risking too much. If you're getting out earlier, if you got stopped out or something happened in here. 100%. Beautiful. I wish I could freaking figure out how to find this video. I'm literally looking at it right now. Add to photos? Maybe try that. Add to photos? Let me try. All right. And we're going to push up. Actually, I want to put an alert here. An alert here. I think it's going to keep going because why would they come all the way down here and then start breaking structures up if it's not going to pull? Usually they want to come with a vengeance just because they're thinking, oh, we're going to get a little bit more sellers up here and drop it because I'll put their stop here. That's what I'm thinking. And then they just shoot straight up to the freaking moon. That's the hope. That's the hope, right? We can only hope. Ah, I got it. Cool. Just messing around with that Sora AI. Wow. Now that's a big freaking candle. Hopefully it's a wick, not a freaking like. What was Tana saying the other day? FU candle? Was it FU? No, that was the FU play. We don't talk like that around here. Tana. I'm just kidding. What is this? Is there news right now? Like what's going on? Actually. Hold on. What do you call that? Somebody's saying something somewhere. This is Tuesday. Okay, not till 9 p.m. We have a consumer credit. It's not even on. Look at that candle. Wow. That's fantastic. Wow. That's crazy, guys. All right, well, it took that liquidity. Is it going to be able to defeat this massive giant candle? I don't know about that. I'll tell you that much. Yeah, that's a fantastically suck. Got my $200 in the I don't care account, moved my stop up. Beautiful. I love it so much. Yeah. Hopefully it didn't, yeah, what do you do about that? I mean, my gosh. You can't really do much about it. Again, only risk what you could afford to lose. If your heart's like a little bit elevated right now and you're in drawdown like this after seeing that massive bull crap, 99% chance you risked too heavy. You should have probably risked half of what you risked. All right, so that broke. Let's look what else we got here. I could care less. This is unfunded too. I might lose this funded too. So we'll see. Just don't care. You have to come into the market not caring, but you have to care about taking the right trade. Don't get me mixed up here. Another 5-minute block. Took all that liquidity. Hopefully that's what it wanted. I know you don't say the word Tana. I'm sorry. I should have left it at that. I don't think you're that kind of person, so good. I mean, heck, we should go up, man. Still buy bias. Even that giant candle trying to scare us out. Again, I would add, this is what I would tell you to do if you're a student. I would add an extra position right here and keep your stop the same exact area right here. Lower the entry, and then you can get out early if you want to. Yeah. Oh, they should, Christina. Bad boy paid out twice. Hey, that's great that you got some money. See, that's a great way to look at it, man. You would need to see some kind of proof of it creating momentum again. I don't even want to show the freaking AI stuff now because this is disappointing with this candle. I was just about to celebrate, show you some cool videos, and then bam. 6 minutes. Well, I'll say about 10 minutes. We're doing members only. Maybe I'll bring on somebody today. We'll see what happens here. Now, what I mean by that, Corey, about momentum is, let's say this creates a lower low right here, and then it breaks back up above this. See how this didn't go lower than this? Now we have an area that you could enter if you're not in it. You could. In this case, though, I'd be extra careful, and I'd have your stop here, which I think, personally, I think it seems like you get out earlier than me, so I think you're either risking a lot or you're not paying attention to the stop size or something. So I think that's what I'd work on personally. So if you're expecting it to come up here, this could be a really good trade. If it breaks back up here, it could essentially go up. But I'm still buy bias because this closed above here, right? And this is the last low right here. So until it breaks this, I have to be buy bias. Doesn't make sense to be in the sells for me. I did let the S word slip. Listen, you're Tana. I feel like there was no caffeine in that coffee I drank today. All right, one last hoorah. One last hoorah. Maybe. Nobody wants to see my stuff right now when we're losing, so I ain't showing nothing. It's never fun to lose. Ever. Come on, baby. Rock it. Fool everybody. Fool all the sellers right now. They thought they were rich. Take them all out. Come up here. End the stream really good. Come on. Up here. Just one giant, massive, biggest candle of the day position. Take it all out. All at once. You did, to be fair, I told you guys like 5 times when you could get out at break even. Quite literally. So if you want someone to blame, you can blame me if you want, but she's still talking about the swearing. I don't think anybody cares like you. We just do our best, right? It's all good. Now you should hear Scott though. That dude's crazy. Goose got you feeling loose, huh? Might as well clean my desk while I'm sitting here. My car's finally out of the shop. What do you know? Look at that bull crap right there. Oh, there was no re-entry yet. Never closed above the line. These bears coming from? Hey, Scott, did you give Robert my phone number? Because he never texted me, so just let him know if you don't mind. You could always get a hold of me there. All right, so I'm at 4 micros here. I don't know what I have left I can do on this account. It was like 200 more, so I better not even add a position. If it comes up here, though, that'd be fantastic. The next entry would be right here if you're not in this trade right now. Respectively. What a bullcrap trade here. Thank you, man. 2 losses, 1/3 on my slow and steady account. Should I try again during VIP on it or close it up? 19 for the day. I'm 1,500 away. And rebills on October 22nd. I just don't know how you keep losing because I haven't lost yet. I might lose here in a second for the first time. That's what I'd be more concerned about right now, personally. This is where our DCA guys right in this area. So if you see it start right now, like maybe add a position, I'll just freaking do it. I'll show you. What? See how now if it comes up here, I'm going to get out and then it breaks back up here. I'm going to get in. Okay. So I DCA'd. We get one last oomph. Now I got to change this. Watch this. Modify order. 8. So now it gets me out. Same exact stop. Right? I'm not trying to add a huge amount of risk. You're adding like nothing. I haven't lost any yet, buddy. This is my original stop right here. That's my only concern is if we could figure out your risk amount you're using. Yeah, that'd be cool. You see how when I added the DCA, like a lot of times, I'd say like 8 times out of 10, 80% of the time. 80% of the time, it'll come from here to here. And you can get out at break even. One last hoorah. One last try. But man, if this hangs on, I'd be shocked, actually. It looks like it just wants to keep pushing. So we'll see. Let's see if it can push out one more time or if it takes us out. Either way, I'm totally okay because I was 100% prepared to lose. Yeah. So, yeah, we just got to... I mean, I don't know what to tell you about that. You could trade however you want, but I don't see a point. Not with futures. With Forex, sure, set a tight stop, let it run, have fun with it, or your own personal Trade Evade account or something. I mean, I don't know. I don't want you to keep going how you were going. All right, we're about to get tagged. Let's see. Finally getting stopped. Not yet. And now. That was a delayed stop, wasn't it? Should know how to set a stop on the C trader. This is ridiculous. I guess if I do opposite direction, it probably does that. So hard to read it. Now, my next position, because I'm still buys, because never broke this low, just really sucks. We had to lose one eventually, guys. I mean, my gosh. Would be right up in here. I want to set some alerts here just so I know where I'm at if I'm looking away. Let me update the good old win ratio. There you are. So that's... Shoot, I didn't add the freaking yesterday's. 7, 3. Is now what? It's worse. It's the lowest we've been, I think. 6. So 3 losses. %. We're flirting. We're flirting with a lower. Hold on one second. That's with the B's, though. Those are lower risk setups. So right here could be another entry. This is what I'm trying to say. So you see how that wick's not lower in here? This could be a potential entry right here. You'd have to place it right. You have to place a stop right, is what I'm saying. So if I look left underneath this, is there anything over here that I could put it under besides this? Ugh. It'd have to be all the way down here. Let's just say lows. Let's just say come back. Let's see what the size stop is. That's probably massive. Ugh. Yeah, I don't like it. Again, these are just B setups, so you could just do that, I guess. 37. Right there. So if it closes above this, you could potentially take some kind of a little trade if you want. Still, I think I might. Where am I at on this account? Okay. Let me switch, actually. I'm going to switch so I can go full on that one. We're doing 10 on that one. Limit. We ain't scared. Got this fair value gap here, so we could take it to the fair value gap and maybe take some profits, get a dub real quick. And again. Yeah, we got some liquidity out. If we could just fill that fair value gap, it'd be 0.83. That'd be a good play. You could just take some profits, call it a day, wait for a break again, and then wait for a pullback, and then go back to our area of interest if you want. We're battling, guys. We're battling. I might break even now on my original trade for my take profit traders funded over here. So I'm literally right there. I might actually get out. I DCA'd. Let's see here. Yeah, I got out. Now I'm waiting for this break right here. Now, I didn't get out on here. Let's be clear. I got out on my TPT at break even. So I didn't lose on my my take profit trader. I DCA'd at the bottom and didn't hit my stop and freaking came up. So I'm good on that. Thank God. What I really want to see happen now, though, is this clean break. If that happens, we're good. We also have this inverse fair value gap right here. So if it closes above that, that's a really good sign. So good things happening right now. Good things happening. Potential. Again, I marked this up a while ago. I said if it doesn't break this, I'm still looking for buys. I'm still buy bias. The one mistake that I guess I wouldn't even call it a mistake. I could have made this stop a little bit bigger right here underneath that low. I just didn't think it was going to take all of it. I guess it wasn't that big of more of a stop, but it's 12 points more. Could have just, might as well at that point, I guess. And if it breaks this, I might get in again with my TPT. This is break even and then maybe a little dub. What a crazy couple weeks, right? Oh yeah. Nobody told me about the members only. Okay, I'm going to start members only. Yep. So if you're not a part of Solomon Trading VIP yet, go ahead and join. I would expect everybody to want to join. We're going live for another hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, whatever it takes. Hopefully turn this into a winning day overall. That'd be awesome. Let me just make that link real quick. Sorry about the being late, guys. Jeez. Before I go, this is the Scott made this one. It's me and Scott. There's no audio though, apparently. Is there? And then I was joking around. We printing money on the beach. Anyways. There we go, guys. There we go. Grabbing the link right now. I'm posting it in all the rooms. My apologies. Hindsight always 2020, right? For what thing? Yeah, oh yeah, the low. I thought about it too, but I'm like, dang. I think I smell food and I'm so hungry right now. Can't find Telegram. There it is. All right, posting the link for members only right now. Members only live link. If you're not a member yet, hit the link above, the QR code above. Join for just $97 a month, or go to solomontrading.com. Pen. Nice trade. Just like that. See how it didn't even matter? You guys are all freaking out for nothing. And people leaving, people blowing accounts. Like, why are you blowing accounts, bro? You should only risk half of that. Cheers. Institutional. I'm not even paying attention here. I'd like to see at least hit 50% of this. Be a perfect match right here. Right there. Perfect take profit. And we won more than we lost. I think. Yeah, we just wiped out that loss. We all just profited on that. Seriously. We all just profited on that. Come on. Come on, guys. We gotta get the morale of the room up. I gotta change that immediately too. On here. Before we go over to the members only. Back up. Eat that, market. Trying to mess with me. I should have put my stop where I wanted to put it, but I didn't. So I was trying to be slick. Because I already knew that some people would think that was too big of a stop. 73%. That's better. You know what's funny is these overall we're sticking with the A plus and B's, which is 73%. So that's kind of funny. So maybe they're all just A pluses ish. Caught the loser, missed the winner. Oh well, that's part of it, Paula. It's okay. Winner, chicken dinner. Ron McLean, I am currently in profit. Amen. That's beautiful, man. I just got into the room. No profits yet. I hear you, Mark. Elon, I did. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, jump over to the members only. Again, go to solomontrading.com. If you're not a member yet, I can get you in right now. It's like 20, 36, 34, 36 live trading sessions a month. And my indicator. So, which I'm going to go over my indicator today in members only of something I've been looking at pretty nicely. It's pretty awesome. All right, guys. I'll jump over right now. That's it. God bless. I will see you guys tomorrow at 1 p.m. And, you know, it was one loser, one winner today. So congratulations to everybody who killed it and didn't let it ruin their day. All right, guys. God bless. Back it up.